Very good morning, my dear children. So, I hope all of you are doing better. New Year resolutions, all of you might have kept, and I hope that you are going to work with strong determination this year. Even though so many disturbances are there, even this year also. Okay, I hope all of you have made up your mind in such a way that you have to work hard. Teachers always say like this only. Yes, of course, it's your life, dear children. Okay, whatever be the disturbances which you are facing in this pandemic situation, okay, you have to go ahead with your studies. Okay, so whatever be the disturbances, keep all the disturbances aside and you just go ahead with your studies with strong determination. Okay, let the disturbances be there. Okay, even corona is also upgrading with Omicron. Okay, but whatever be the situation, okay, we have to work hard. Okay, so let us determine ourselves to work hard and go towards success. All the very best for the new year, and I wish you a very happy new year as well. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the numericals which are based on the topic of Rydberg's equation. Okay, there are so many types of numericals you will be coming across in IPE as well as in IIT also. Okay, so I thought of explaining certain numericals in this video, and if possibility is there, I'll try to finish, or if so many numericals are left uncovered, then I'll be taking up with the next video also. Means the same topic, part 2 also. Okay, so let us start with the topic. Today we are going to learn about what? Numericals based on Rydberg's equation. Okay, now numericals based on Rydberg's equation. Okay, this is our topic for today. Okay, so first of all, you all just recall what is Rydberg's equation. Okay, so what is Rydberg's equation? Rydberg's equation, it is given by the formula. Rydberg's equation is given by the formula nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equals to r into 1 by n1 square minus n2 square into z square. This is called as what? Rydberg's equation. Here nu bar is wave number and lambda is wavelength, you all know that, and r is Rydberg's constant, and you have to remember the value of r also. What is the value of r? Yes, it is 109678. Okay, centimeters. And what is n1 and n2? Just recall. Okay, n1 is the first energy level or one stationary state, and n2 is the higher energy orbit where electron transition takes place. Just recall what is electron transition. Electron always keeps jumping from one orbit to another orbit. Okay, so jumping of electrons, you are calling it with another name, that is electron transition. Okay, so n1 is the lower energy level and n2 is the higher energy level in which electron is undergoing transition. Okay, so this is called as what? Rydberg's equation. You all know about this. So based on this equation, how you are going to get numericals? We are going to learn about that numericals for today's video. Okay, so let us learn certain numericals. Okay, so let us go for the first numerical, that is find the longest wavelength. Here onwards I'll start. I think you can able to see. First question. Find the longest wavelength. Okay, find the longest wavelength. Yes, find the longest wavelength for Lyman series. For Lyman series, options are given like this. 4 options you will be given and you have to choose one correct answer from that. 4 by 3R, option B 9 by 8R, 9 by 8R, option C 3R by 4, and option D 8R by 9. Option D 8R by 9. So you have to choose the correct answer among that. So just recall, dear children, just recall that line of longest wavelength is line of shortest energy. He is asking for finding the longest wavelength. So it will be the line of longest wavelength means what? Line of shortest energy. Okay. So how to find that line? You have certain formulas based on Rydberg's equation only. Okay. So line of longest wavelength. Line of longest wavelength is equal to what? Line of shortest or lowest energy. Line of lowest energy. Both are same. You have to remember this point. Okay. The line which is having longest wavelength will have lowest energy. Okay. So line of longest wavelength is equal to what? Line of lowest energy. And that itself is considered to be the first line of the series. First line of the series. Okay. So anytime if they ask for longest wavelength, you have to remember it like what? Line of longest wavelength. Always you have to keep in mind that it will be the first line of that particular series. Whatever the series it may be. Whether it is Lyman, Palmer, Paschen, Brackett or Fund. Whatever the series it may be. Okay, now it will be the first line of the series. If it is a first line, okay, then you all know based on the types of series what are N1 and N2 values, that you know. So first line of the series you have to find. So if it is first line of the series, okay, then always remember N2 will always be equal to N1 plus 1. This point you have to remember. Okay, previously in the Rydberg's equation in the previous video already we have discussed about this. Okay, so for line of longest wavelength, what you have to take N2 value means higher energy level will be always equal to what? N1 plus 1. Or first line will have this formula. N2 is equal to what? N1 plus 1. Suppose they are asking to find the second line. Instead of saying shortest wavelength, longest wavelength, sometimes they may ask to find the second line of the series. If they are asking to find the second line of the series, you will be writing N2 is equals to N1 plus 2 you will write. If they are asking to find the third line of the series, then you will be writing what? N2 is equals to N1 plus 3 you will write. Okay, so like that you will be coming across. In the numericals also you have to strike, that point has to be striked in your mind. Okay, they will not give this in the question. Okay, you only have to remember. Remember that if they are asking to find the first line, longest wavelength always means the first line of the series. Okay, if it is the first line, remember higher energy level always will be equal to what? N1 plus 1. Okay, so you will use this formula. Okay, now for Lyman series, what is N1 and what is N2? For Lyman series, okay, now for Lyman series, we know that N1 is equal to 1. Okay, then automatically N2 will be equal to what? N1 plus 1, which means what? 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so you got N1 value and you got N2 value. Okay, now substitute in the Rydberg's equation. What is our Rydberg's equation? Okay, now just recall Rydberg's equation. Okay, when you are doing these numericals for the first time, please keep writing the formula always. Okay, for every sum, keep writing the formulas. Not only in chemistry, whatever the subject you are doing, keep writing the formula. Okay, so that you will get used to. Okay, now, so that speed will be developed. Here I am telling it very slowly, so that the children, those who are doing the numericals for the first time, it will be benefited for them. Okay, I am doing very slowly here. Okay, but your speed has to be developed. If you do it slowly, you cannot meet the time requirements, isn't it or not? So you have to speed up. That means if you know the formula very well, then automatically your speed will increase. Once if your speed is going to increase, then only you can meet the time management requirements, isn't it or not? Time management is very much essential. Okay, even for IPE as well as for IIT also, whatever it may be, even for MSET, IIT, whatever the competitive exams, time management is very, very important. Okay, so recall the Rydberg's equation. What is that Rydberg's equation? Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, so here only I am substituting R into, here 1 by n1 is 1. For Lyman series, first line will be n1 is always equal to 1 for Lyman series. Okay, so 1 by 1 square minus, okay, for first line of the series, n2 will be equal to n1 plus 1. So 2 square you will write. Okay, so R is R into 1 by lambda is equal to R into, okay, now better I write that side, you cannot able to see if I write down. Okay, so 1 by lambda is equal to R into, okay, check here, 1 by lambda is equals to R into 1 by 1 square, which is equals to 1 by 1 only, minus 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. It is equal to how much? I think you cannot able to see if I write so up. This is only the problem with the board settings and phone settings. Okay, so here I'll write here so that you can able to see. Yes, so R into 1 by 1 square is how much? 1 by 1 only, minus 1 by 2 square is 4. Okay, so you're going to take LCM. So R into 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, now 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 3R by 4. 1 by lambda is equal to 3R by 4. He is asking for only lambda. Okay, so from that what you can write? Lambda is equals to 4 by 3R. Okay, so wavelength of longest wavelength. Okay, longest wavelength for Lyman series will have what is the formula? 4 by 3R. So that is the required answer. Okay, 4 by 3R. Therefore, lambda is equals to 4 by 3R. So, what is the option which you have to choose? Option A, 4 by 3R. Answer is what? Option A. I hope all of you have understood. It's just a substitution problem. Okay, you need to remember certain points. Please note down. Okay, we'll go for the next sum. Here I am rubbing and writing. Second question. Question number 2. Okay, the first emission line of hydrogen spectrum. The first emission line. The first emission line of hydrogen spectrum. The first emission line of hydrogen spectrum in Balmer series appears at a wavelength of dash. This is the question. Here 4 options. You were given 4 options. 3r/4 centimeter power minus 1, 3r/4 centimeter power minus 1, 5r/36 centimeters. Third option 36/5r centimeters. 36/5r centimeters. And option D 7r/144 centimeter power minus 1. Just recall, centimeter power minus 1, meter power minus 1, all these are the units of what? Yes, wave number. They are not the units of wavelength. Okay, so from that itself you can just rule out these 2 options. You can rule out these 2 options. Here units are given what? Centimeter power minus 1, which are the units of what? Wave number. They are not the units of wavelength. In the question, he is asking you to find what? He is asking you to find wavelength. Okay, wavelength, which has units of only centimeters. So you have only 2 options to be chosen. So let us check. Okay, now remember that Balmer series. He is asking to find what? Balmer series. Okay, the first emission line. Okay, again same like previous problem. First emission line. For first emission line, what you have to remember? For first emission line. N2 is always equals to what? N1 plus 1. This point you have to remember. If it is what? For the first emission line. If they are asking for series limit line, limiting wavelength, did you remember? Just recall, or you just go for my previous video so that you will be understanding about it. If it is infinity or series limit line, okay, then N2 will be infinity. If it is the first line, then N2 will be equal to N1 plus 1. You have to remember this point. He will not give this in the question. Okay, so N2 is equal to what? N1 plus 1. Now recall for what series he is asking. He is asking for Balmer series. Okay, so for Balmer series, what are N1, N2 values? N2, however, we cannot say. It can be any of the higher energy level. But N1, for Balmer series, N1 is always equal to how much? 2. Yes, very good. For Balmer series, N1 is 2. Then according to this equation, N2 is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1. N1 plus 1, no? So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So you got N1 value and you got N2 value. Then go for the Rydberg's equation. Okay, now what is Rydberg's equation? Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equals to R into, it is asked for hydrogen spectrum only. So into Z square, if you don't write also, it doesn't matter much. Okay, because Z value is 1. For hydrogen, what is the atomic number? Yes, it is equal to 1. So R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Into Z square I am not writing because for hydrogen Z value is 1. Okay, Z is equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. Z is equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. Okay, so let us substitute. R into N1 value is 2. 1 by 2 square minus N2 value is 3. 1 by 3 square. So R into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. Okay, if you take the LCM for 4 and 9, what you will be getting? R into, here how much? 1 by lambda this side. 1 by lambda is equals to R into, LCM is 36. 9 fours are 36. Okay, so 9 minus 4, which is equals to what? 5. 5R by 36. 1 by lambda is 5R by 36. Okay, so lambda will be 36 by 5R. So option will be what? C option. Okay, now 1 by lambda is 5R by 36. That implies lambda is equals to 36 by 5R. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, now. Okay, so this will be your answer. Our lambda is equals to 36 by 5R. Option C. Okay, now. Answer C. Okay, so numericals models will be like this only. Please note down. Let us go for the third numerical. Third sum. Okay. So question number 3. Just simple calculations. Okay, you have to do. The ratio of, question number 3. The ratio of wave numbers. Here he is asking for the ratio of wave numbers directly, not wavelengths. Please note down. Okay, now 1 by lambda values, ratio he is asking. Okay, so the ratio of wave numbers of radiations, the ratio of wave numbers of the radiations corresponding to first line in Lyman series, corresponding to first line in Lyman series and second line in Balmer series. Second line in Balmer series of hydrogen spectrum is. This is the question, and you have 4 options. Option A 1:4, option B 2:1, option C 3:1, and option D 4:1. Okay, so please try to understand the question carefully. He is asking us to find what? Ratio of wave numbers. Okay, of 2 radiations. Okay, first line of Lyman series you have to find, and second line in Balmer series also you have to find. Okay, then you have to take the ratio of those 2. He is asking for that ratio. Okay, you have to find wavelength, wave number of first line in Lyman series and second line in Balmer series. After doing those 2, take ratio of those 2. He is asking for that ratio. Okay, so let us learn. Okay, I am rubbing that side. Okay, first line in Lyman series. See, for first emission line, always this formula, I am not rubbing the formula. Already we have written that formula. Okay, what is the formula which you have to remember? For first line, for any series, please remember, for any series, for first emission line, N2 is always equal to how much? N1 plus 1. Okay, now for the first line in Lyman series, what will be the wave number? Let us calculate. Already first sum we have done this. Okay, for Lyman series, N1 is 1. Then N2 is N1 plus 1. Then N2 is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, then find the Rydberg's equation. Nu bar he is asking us to find.
Okay, now nu bar wave number means what? Nu bar is equals to 1 by lambda is equals to r into 1 by n1 square means 1 square minus n2 square means 2 square. Okay, so nu bar is equals to r into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equals to what? LCM is 4. Okay, so 4 minus 1 into r. Okay, so nu bar is equal to what? This is in which series? Lyman series. Okay, is equals to 3r by 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 into r by 4. So 3r by 4. Okay, so let us take this as first equation. This is in Lyman series. First line. For first emission line, this is the wave number value. Okay, now you have to find what? Second line in Balmer series. That also you have to find. Okay, so for second line, what will be the formula for N2? Did you remember? N1 plus 2. Please remember. For second line, if they are asking for second line, N2 will be equal to what? N1 plus 2. For first line, you have written N2 is equals to N1 plus 1. For second line, N2 is equals to N1 plus 2. Please remember that. Okay, I am writing that point also. For second line, okay, N2 is equal to how much? N1 plus 2. Now for Balmer series, N1 and N2 are how much? For Balmer series, N1 is 2. Okay, now this point you have to remember first only. Isn't it or not? Already we know for Lyman series N1 1. For Balmer N1 2. Paschen bracket fund. Accordingly it goes on. 3, 4, 5. N1 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen bracket and fund series. Okay, so N1 is 2. Then N2 will be how much? Then N2 is 2 plus 2, which is equal to what? 4. So N1 is 2 and N2 is 4. Okay, now N1 is 2 and N2 is 4. Then nu bar is equals to r into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. It is for hydrogen atom, so Z square I am not writing. Please remember. Okay, so nu bar is equals to r into 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. Okay, so which is equals to what? R into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. Okay, so how much you will be getting? Nu bar is equal to R into, take LCM, 16. Okay, so here 4 minus, yes, 4 minus 1, which is equal to what? 3R by 16. Okay, now 3R by 16. So here this you will be taking it as what? Second equation. Nu bar for Balmer. Can you able to see if I write here down? So for Balmer series, how much you got? 3R by 16. Okay. For Balmer series, how much we got? 3R by 16. Therefore, nu bar for Balmer series is equal to how much we got? 3R by 16. Okay, this you will be taking it as what? Second equation. Okay, this is first equation and this will be your second equation. Okay, so dividing 1 and 2. Dividing 1 and 2. How much you will be getting? 3R by 4. Okay, now 3R by 4 by 3R by 16. 3R by 4 whole by 3R by 16. This if you calculate, how much you will be getting? Okay, 3R gets cancelled and you will be getting
4 by 16.
okay na. So 3r by 4 into 16 by 3r. 3r gets cancelled. You will be getting 16 by 4, which is equals to what? 4 by 1. Means ratio is how much? 4:1. Okay now, ratio of wave numbers is 4:1. If they are asking for ratio of wave lengths, then 1:4 it will become. Okay, please remember. Therefore, finally what you will write? Therefore, ratio of wave numbers is how much? 4:1. So what is the option? Which option? It is given in which option? 4:1. Option D. Okay now, answer D option. Okay. So please note down carefully. Try to understand the problems and then practice. Okay, if you are going to practice each and every problem, do and practice. Okay, without doing, just seeing, your speed will not be developed. Keep doing. Okay, pen and paper is very much important. Okay, I am speaking about all types of children. Maybe there are so many children who are very smart enough to understand the problems, and even in their mind itself they can do. Okay, but teachers has to consider all types of children. Okay, so please write and practice. That's what I always suggest. Okay, right. Now go for the fourth problem. Question number 4. Question number 4. Yes. The ratio of wavelength values. The ratio of, again you have to find the ratio. The ratio of wavelength values. The ratio of wavelength values of series limit. Values of series limit it is given. Means one point should strike in your mind. What is that? Series limit line means n2 is always equal to what? Infinity. Series limit line or limiting wavelengths you have to find. Then n2 value will be always equal to how much? Infinity. Yes, very good. So series limit line. Okay, of what series? Of Balmer and Paschen series. Balmer and Paschen series. He is asking us to find what? Ratio again. Balmer and Paschen series. You have to find the series limit for Balmer series as well as for Paschen series. Okay, and then you have to find the ratio of them. Okay, so here are the 4 options given to you. So what are the 4 options? Option A 4:9. Option B 9:4. Option C 2:4. Okay, and option D 3:2. Okay, option C is given 2:4, which is nothing but 1:2 only, no? Sometimes to confuse you, they will be giving even like that also. Option D is what? 3:2. Okay, so this is your question. So what you have to find? Series limit lines you have to find. For what series? For Balmer series as well as for Paschen series. Okay, so let us do that. Right? So series limit line means what? Last line of the series. Please remember, recall. Series limit means what? Series limit means n2 is infinity. This is the point which you have to remember. It should strike. You only should know about this. He will not give in the question. You have to understand that series limit means what? n2 is equal to infinity. Okay. So n1 for Balmer series, you know, it is 2. And Paschen series, it is 3. So you can easily find out. Okay now. So let us do that. So series limit means line of
shortest wavelength. You can even write like that also. Okay, now series limit line means what? Line of shortest wavelength. Please remember, shortest wavelength. If it is the line of shortest wavelength, it will be the line of highest energy also. Okay, now please remember, recall, keep recalling these points. Line of highest energy, all are same only. Okay, now series limit line means line of shortest wavelength and line of highest energy also. Please remember, and N2 value is infinity. Okay, now let us recall for Balmer series. Okay, for Balmer series N1 value is how much? Okay, so generally you can even take a nu bar last line. No, this is what? Limiting line means last line of the series. So nu bar last can be written as what? Nu bar last can be written as R by N1 square, because N2 is already infinity. Directly you can substitute. Okay, now R by N1 square only, because N2 is infinity. 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. In place of N2, if you keep infinity, what you will be getting? 1 by infinity square, which is equal to 0. So that term you can eliminate. So only N1 square term will be there. So series last limit line will be equal to formula what you will be getting? R into 1 by N1 square only, which is nothing but R by N1 square only. Okay. So for Lyman, what is asked here? Balmer. For Balmer series, N1 is 2. Okay, so limit line for Balmer series will be how much? Limiting wave number. Ratio of wavelengths only he is asking you to find. Okay, so nu bar Balmer is equal to 1 by lambda Balmer is equal to R by N1 value you got here 2. 2 square means R by 4. Okay, this you take it as first equation. Okay, take it as first equation. Same like that you find for what? For Paschen series also. Find out for Paschen series. Okay, for Paschen series. For Paschen series, N1 is how much? 3. Did you remember? Okay, so nu bar Paschen is equal to 1 by lambda Paschen is equal to R by N1 square, means R by 3 square, which is equal to what? R by 9. Let us take this as what? Second equation. Now divide. Okay. One by lambda Balmer is R by 4. But only lambda you want. He is asking the ratio of wavelengths. He is not asking the ratio of wave numbers. Please remember. Okay. So, lambda Balmer, how much it will be? Lambda Balmer. 1 by lambda Balmer is R by 4. Only lambda is 4 by R. Okay. Lambda Paschen is how much? Lambda Paschen is 9 by R. Now take the ratio. Lambda Balmer by lambda Paschen. How much you will be getting the ratio? Lambda Balmer by lambda Paschen. Yes, you will be getting the ratio of 4:9, isn't it? Lambda Balmer by lambda Paschen is equal to what? 4 by R by 9 by R. Okay, that is equal to what? 4 by R into R by 9. R gets cancelled and you will be left with what? 4:9. So what will be the answer? Option A. Answer A. Okay. So like this you will be getting numericals. Let us go for the next sum. In a hydrogen atom,
the transition takes place between, look at this question. Okay, in a hydrogen atom, the transition takes place from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2. Question number 5. In a hydrogen atom, the transition takes place between what? The transition takes place means electron jumping. What is transition? Jumping of electron takes place from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2. Okay, it is given like that. Okay, and Rydberg's constant is also given. And he is asking us to find the wavelength. R value is given as 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 meters power minus 1. 10 to the power of plus 7 only here. Meter power minus 1. Find the wavelength. Find the wavelength of the transition. Find the wavelength of the transition. Okay. So here electron is jumping from where to where? 3 to 2. That means n1 value is 2 and n2 value is 3. So use the Rydberg's equation. Okay, you have to find the wavelength value. Okay, so solution. Given n1 is 2, n2 is how much? 3, and R value also given. So use Rydberg's equation. U bar is equals to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, now R value how much it is given? 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. Okay, that is equal to how much? 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. Okay, if you take the LCM, you will be getting 36. So that is equals to 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 36. 4 9s, 1 9s are 9 minus 4. So you will be getting how much? 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 5 by 36. Okay, so here calculation part, you have to be very careful with that. So this is what? 1 by lambda value. He is asking you to find what? He is asking you to find only lambda value. Okay, so if you multiply 1.097 into 5, if you do, you will be getting 5.485. Okay, this is what? Please recall, 1 by lambda value this is. Okay, now 1.097 into 5 is how much? 5.485. 5.485 into 10 power 7 as it is I am writing by 36. Okay, this is 1 by lambda value. He is asking you to find what? Only lambda value. Okay, so you have to reciprocate the value. Lambda is equal to 36 by 5.485 into 10 to the power of 7. So 36 by 5. Okay, now 5.485. 36 by 5.485, and this 10 power 7, if it goes to the numerator, it will become how much? 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, so if you just simplify this, how much you will be getting? Okay, if you have to simplify this. 36 by 5.485. So you will be getting 36 by, here also point after 3 digits are there, 5485 into 10 power minus 3 I can write. Okay now, and here on the numerator 10 power minus 7 is already there. Okay, so 36 by 5485 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 3. Okay, now if it goes to the numerator, it will become plus 3. So if you calculate this, how much you will be getting? This, if you calculate, you will be getting almost around 6.564. 6.564. Here this is already 10 power minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3 means minus 4. Okay now. 36 by 5485 into 10 power minus 4. Okay. Into 10 power minus 6. And this 10 power minus 4 also you will be getting as it is. So that will be equal to what? 6.564 into 10 power minus 10 meters. And 10 to the power of minus 10 meters means 1 angstrom. So that is equal to what? 6.564 angstroms. So wavelength will be equal to what? 6.564 angstroms. Okay. When electron is transited from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2, what will be the wavelength? So you will be finding wavelength like this, and you will be getting the value how much? 6.564 into 10 power minus 10 meters, which is equal to what? 10 power minus 10 meters means 1 angstrom. Okay, so 6.564 angstroms. This is your question. Answer is this. Yes. Let us go for the question number 6. Yes, question number 6. Find the wavelength. Same like this. Here also you have to find the wavelength. Find the wavelength. Okay now. Oh, you cannot able to see. Very sorry for the disturbance, dear children. I will write the question a little bit down. Question number 6. The wavelength of radiation emitted. The wavelength of radiation. The wavelength of radiation emitted. The wavelength of radiation emitted when in a hydrogen atom electron falls from infinity to stationary orbit. When an electron falls from where to where? Electron falls from infinity to the stationary orbit. Question is given like this: infinity to stationary orbit. Okay, in a hydrogen atom. That is also mentioned here. In a hydrogen atom. Means Z value you have to take it as 1. Okay, in a hydrogen atom, electron transition takes place from where to where? From infinity to stationary orbit. Okay, then what will be the wavelength? You have to find the wavelength. Okay. You can even, to avoid your confusion, find the wavelength. If you can write like that, your question is clear. Okay, in a hydrogen atom is dash. Okay, what are the options given to you? Here options are also given. Okay, 91 nanometers. 91 nm. Nm means what? Nanometer. And recall that 1 nanometer is how much? Yes, 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, 91 nanometers, 192 nanometers. Option C, 406 nanometers. And option D, 9.1 into 10 power minus 8 nanometers. This is your question. So what you have to find here? Limiting wavelength you have to find. Okay now. And given R value is given here. Given R is equal to how much they gave? R value is given as what? Yes, 1.097 into 10 power 7. 1.097 into 10 power 7. This is the R value given. Okay, so this is your question. Okay, so you have to find what? Here electron is jumping from where to where? From infinity to stationary orbit. Infinity means N2 is infinity. Okay now. Here N2 is what? Infinity. And stationary orbit, it is given that stationary orbit means N1 will be how much? 1 only. Okay now. Infinity means N2 is infinity means you will take N2 infinity. N1 is what? Stationary orbit it is given here. Stationary orbit means what you will take? First orbit. Okay now. Stationary orbit means what? N1 is 1 only. Okay now. So you have to find the wavelength. Okay. So use Rydberg's equation. You pause the video and try. Okay. You will pause the video and try. Yes. Come on. Pause the video and try for the answer. Yes. Come on. Let us solve. Okay, so what is your Rydberg's equation? And for hydrogen atom, Z is equal to 1. You know that. Okay, so Rydberg's equation. Is asking us to find what? Wavelength. So, nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equals to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. N2 is already infinity, it is given. And n1 is 1. So, R only. Isn't it or not? 1 by lambda is equals to R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity square. 1 by infinity square means 0. So, 1 by lambda is equals to R into 1 minus 0, which is equal to R only. So 1 by lambda is equal to R. But he is asking us to find what? Only lambda. Okay. 1 by lambda is equal to R value. How much he gave? Yes, here 1.097 into 10 power 7. That implies only lambda value 1 by 1.097 into 10 power 7. This value you have to calculate. Okay, if you calculate this value, how much you will be getting? 0.91 into 10 power 1 by 1.097 is how much? 0.91 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, this can be written as what? 91 into 10 power 0.91 can be written as what? 91 into 10 power minus 2. And this 10 power minus 7 as it is if you write. Yes. So 91 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 7. How much you will be getting? Here only I am writing. Please check. Okay. So 91 into 10 power minus 9. See 1 nanometer. Just now I told you 1 nanometer is how much? 10 power minus 9 meters. So 91 into 10 power minus 9 meters means how much? 91 nanometers only. Therefore, lambda value is 91 nm nanometers. So, what will be the option? A option. Okay, now answer is A. Okay, answer is A. Option A. option A.
Down I have written, please check. Okay, infinity means, please remember, n2 is infinity, right? Next, one more sum, last sum we will be doing, and so many other models are also there. I hope I need to do the remaining numericals in the next video. As of now, 7th problem we will be taking here only. After writing that 7th problem, we will stop the video. Please keep writing and practicing. Okay. With the written work, your practice will be increased. Okay, please write and practice. Okay, question number 7. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelengths in hydrogen spectrum.
Calculate the shortest and longest wavelengths in hydrogen
spectrum. Calculate the longest and shortest wavelengths in hydrogen spectrum
for which series? Of Lyman series. Okay, now in Lyman series, find the shortest and longest wavelengths. Values you have to find. Okay, so that will be your question. It's an easy question, theory question. It's not an objective, theory question. Okay, so let us see.
Okay, now, so you all are ready for this. Lyman series means n1 how much? Okay, for Lyman series, line of shortest wavelength.
First shortest wavelength means series limiting line. Please remember that point. If it is limiting line, n2 is infinity. And for Lyman series, n1 is 1. These all points you only have to remember. He will not give in the question. Okay, now you only have to remember. That should strike in your mind. Okay, so please remember. Okay, what is the solution? First he is asking you to find shortest wavelength. Sorry, line of shortest wavelength. Better I write like line of shortest wavelength. Line of shortest wavelength means what? Series limit line. Series limit line. That means what? n2 is infinity. For Lyman series, n1 is 1. Therefore, nu bar is equals to 1 by lambda is equals to r by n1 square only, no? n2 is infinity means 1 by infinity square is 0. So r into 1. Okay, now. So r by 1 square means r by 1, which is equal to r only. What is the value of r? Yes, 109,678
centimeters power minus 1. Okay, r value is how much? Centimeter power minus 1. Okay, but he is asking you to find what? Only wavelength. 1 by lambda value is equal to r. Lambda value will be 1 by r. Okay, that implies lambda is equal to 1 by r is equal to 1 by 109,678. This value, if you calculate, how much you will be getting? 9.117 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters you will be getting the value. Okay, so this is lambda infinity. Okay, shortest wavelength in Lyman series, lambda infinity Lyman is how much? 9.117 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters. This is shortest. Okay, now same like that longest. You have to find even longest also. For longest, what you have to remember? Series first line.
Longest line means what? Series first line. Okay. Series first line. Okay. For longest line, n2 is equal to what? n1 plus 1. For Lyman series, for Lyman, n1 is 1. Then n2 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, so use Rydberg's equation. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square you will be getting. Okay, so substitute this. Nu bar is equals to 1 by lambda is equals to r into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square, which is equal to what? R into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to what? 3r by 4. Okay, so 1 by lambda is 3r by 4. Means lambda is 4 by 3r. Okay, 1 by lambda is 3r by 4. That implies what? Lambda is 4 by 3r. Now substitute that r value in this and you need to simplify. What is r value? 109678. So 4 by 3 into 109678. Lambda is equals to 4 by 3 into 109678. This will be, after calculating, directly I am writing the answer 1215.7. 1215.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. Okay, so lambda longest in Lyman series. Lambda longest in Lyman series is how much? 1215.7 to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. So shortest as well as longest is asking you to find. Shortest we got this much and longest we got this much value. Okay, so you will be having numericals like this, dear children. I hope you all are following, and kindly I request all of you, those who are visiting my channel for the first time, okay, or those who are already following my channel, thank you for visiting my channel. Okay, please ask your friends as well as your family members and all your relatives also to kindly watch, share my videos, like, okay, give a like, a comment, okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching, dear children. I always say, okay, your hard work is your superpower. Thanks for watching. Bye.